Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a monogram logo using the grid method. Make sure to watch to the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line from here. Select a stroke color. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Perfect. Now I will generate automatically others copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Now press Ctrl+C to copy and press Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. After that, select the ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from here. And intersect with this line, like this. Now select the circle. And press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Hold Alt and Shift, and intersect with this line. Do this in the same way. Okay, after that, hold Shift and select these two lines. And press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Hold Alt and make some long. Now hold Shift and rotate. Like this. Okay, our grid is ready. Now select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Join every small part carefully. Hold the space bar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. Perfect. After that, hold Shift and select these parts. And drag it out. Now select these extra parts and press Delete. Select this, and stroke color none from here. After that, select the Type tool. Click. Type the logo name. Make it bigger. And select a white color. Hold Alt and copy. And type capital. Now take the tracking point to around 500 and place it center. Now select this. Press Ctrl+G to group. Select this and group. Now select all and horizontally align the center from here. And finally, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.